Major highlight: the e-clutch breakthrough. The biggest technical update hitting first rides is the introduction of Honda's e-clutch technology. On the Rebel 300 it works. It acts as a bridge between a traditional manual and an automatic transmission. You still shift gears with your left foot, but you never have to pull the clutch lever to start, stop, or shift. The right field reviewers note that it virtually eliminates the fear of stalling at stoplights, making it arguably the most approachable urban cruiser on the market for 2026.
(2026) Top Cruiser Honda Rebel New. Pricing in United States, MSRP, starting at $9,699 with a $775 destination charge. According to Glenn Burney Motorsports and Motorcycle.com.